They told you GPU mining was dead. They told you your rig couldn't keep up. But what if I told you those same GPUs could now pay you in two ways: crypto mining rewards and AI compute revenue? Welcome back to Kryptonite. In today's video, we'll explore how you can earn crypto and AI rewards with the same GPU rig. From real-world examples to profit strategies, this is the evolution of mining you don't want to miss. Smash that subscribe button for weekly mining strategies that keep you ahead of the curve. Why GPUs are more valuable than ever. GPUs aren't just graphic cards anymore. They're engines of parallel computing. The same architecture that powers blockchain algorithms also fuels deep learning, AI training, 3D rendering, simulations, and scientific research. While ASICs dominate Bitcoin, GPUs remain flexible. That flexibility is now opening doors not just in mining, but in the massive AI economy. The AI industry is projected to grow into the trillions of dollars in the next decade. That means demand for raw GPU compute will only increase. Owning a GPU rig today isn't just about mining coins, it's about owning a piece of the new digital infrastructure. The shift from mining only to dual-use rigs. Here's the big twist. Mining companies like Iren and Cipher mining are already repurposing their GPU fleets. When mining profitability dips, those GPUs don't sit idle, they're leased to AI cloud clients. Instead of earning dust, they crunch neural networks, simulations, and models, and still generate revenue. Even tech giants like NVIDIA are building bridges between crypto miners and AI demand by optimizing drivers, frameworks, and partnerships that make GPU sharing seamless. This means your rig doesn't just wait for the next bull run, it stays productive mining when profitable and earning AI compute fees the rest of the time. Real-world examples of crypto plus AI synergy. Iren partnered with NVIDIA to build AI-focused GPU centers. They're proving miners can pivot to the AI revolution while still supporting blockchain networks. Cipher mining, expanding beyond Bitcoin into diversified compute services, showing that miners can't just rely on block rewards. They need new revenue streams. Independent miners, renting GPU cycles to decentralized compute marketplaces like Render Network, Akash, and Bittensor. These networks connect GPU owners to clients needing AI training power, animation rendering, or decentralized intelligence models. This isn't theory, it's happening right now. We're witnessing the birth of hybrid miners, part crypto hustler, part AI service provider. How dual earning works for individual miners. So how does a home miner or small rig operator join the game? Step 1. Crypto mining mode. Use your rig as normal mine coins like Kaspa, Aleo, or Nexa. Pick coins that are GPU friendly and ASIC resistant. Step 2. AI compute mode. During off hours, connect your GPUs to a decentralized compute marketplace. Here, AI researchers, developers, or even rendering projects rent your idle GPU cycles. The process is becoming easier every month with new platforms offering plug-and-play interfaces, meaning you don't need a PhD in coding to participate. The result? Your GPUs are never idle, and you create two income streams. You mine coins and earn AI service fees, often in stablecoins or native project tokens. Profitability breakdown. Let's talk ROI. Crypto mining rewards fluctuate with coin difficulty and market price, but AI compute rentals often pay flat fees per hour, giving you stability. Example, mining Kaspa may net $2 to $4 per day on a mid-tier GPU. Renting that same GPU on Render Network could earn $5 to $8 per day when in demand. Combined, your rig now generates crypto plus fiat equivalent AI earnings. And here's where it gets exciting. If the coin you're mining pumps later, you effectively stack free gains on top of the steady compute earnings. It's volatility plus stability working in your favor. Tools and platforms to get started curious. Where to begin? Here are some platforms bridging crypto and AI. Render Network. Pay GPUs to render 3D scenes and animations, earning RNDR tokens. Akash Network. A decentralized cloud marketplace where GPU owners rent compute to developers. Bittensor. An AI-focused blockchain rewarding participants for contributing compute to machine learning models. Each has its own ecosystem, payout methods, and niches. Experiment with a few to see which aligns best with your rig and goals. Risks and challenges. Of course, this isn't free money. There are challenges. Hardware wear. Running dual workloads pushes GPUs harder, reducing lifespan if not managed. Complex setup. Switching between mining and AI compute requires smart software or manual scheduling. Payment models. Some networks pay in tokens that may fluctuate in value. Regulatory uncertainty. Both crypto and AI industries are under government scrutiny, so compliance matters. But as the tech matures, these hurdles are getting easier to manage. Smart miners are already testing and adapting. Why this matters for the future of mining? This is the evolution. Mining alone won't cut it in the long term, especially with rising energy costs. But dual-use rigs, they ensure your hardware always has value, even when crypto markets slow down. Think of it as future-proofing your mining investment. Just like early miners jumped from CPU to GPU, today's smart miners are jumping from single-use to dual-use. And here's the bigger vision. As AI keeps growing, the demand for decentralized compute may one day outpace crypto mining rewards. If you position yourself early, you could ride both waves at once. Step-by-step guide for beginners. If you're wondering where to start, set up your mining rig as usual for coins like Kaspa or Nexa. Join a compute-sharing marketplace like Render or Akash. Schedule mining during peak profitability hours. Lease GPU cycles for AI tasks when difficulty spikes or energy costs rise. Track profits daily with a simple spreadsheet or mining calculator. The goal is to balance your time and maximize earnings across both worlds. The big picture, from coins to compute power. The truth is, crypto mining is evolving into something bigger. It's no longer just about coins. It's about owning compute power in an age where compute is the new oil. By blending mining and AI workloads, you turn your rig into a digital Swiss Army knife. Flexible, profitable, and future-ready. Conclusion. The future of mining isn't just in coins, it's in computing power itself. With the same GPU rig, you can now stack crypto and get paid for powering AI. Two worlds, one machine, infinite potential. So don't let your rig sit idle. Explore the platforms, test the waters, and turn your GPU into a true digital goldmine. Subscribe to Kryptonite for more insights, strategies, and the future of mining innovation. Because here, we don't just talk about crypto, we show you how to profit from it.